Glandex for dogs, vet-approved for digestive support. Glandex for dogs is a vet-approved medication that's often prescribed to treat anal irritation and inflammation in pets. At AvenueDogs.com, we're here to help you get the info you need to make informed decisions about what's right for your pup. Glandex for dogs comes in multiple forms. Glandex Soft Chews, Glandex Powder, Glandex Wipes. Each product is specifically designed to help support healthy anal glands in your pup. Let's take a quick look at each and why you would choose one over the other. Glandex Powder versus Glandex Wipes versus Glandex Soft Chews. Which Glandex for dogs option is best for you? Well, it really depends on the specific needs of your pup. Glandex wipes are used externally after a potty break to clean up any unwanted messes and soothe your pup's irritated bottom. In most cases, your vet will recommend using Glandex wipes in conjunction with Glandex powder or soft chews. Glandex wipes offer a short-term solution while Glandex powder, or soft chews, slowly work to improve your dog's overall anal gland health. But that begs the question, so which is better for your pup, Glandex powder or soft chews? That's mostly up to your pup's dietary preferences. They each contain, basically, the same active ingredients. So both are effective at managing your dog's anal gland health. The only difference is whether your pup would more readily consume them as a treat, Glandex soft chews, or sprinkled onto their food, Glandex powder. Let's take a very quick look at the three different products. After this brief overview, we're going to forget about the Glandex wipes and just focus on the Glandex powder and soft chews. Glandex Soft Chews for Dogs. Glandex for Dogs soft chews are a once-daily oral supplement that contains high levels of key ingredients like fiber, probiotics, and digestive enzymes to support healthy anal gland function. They're veterinarian recommended and gluten-free, with no corn, soy, wheat, artificial ingredients, or preservatives. They're a great choice if you want a tasty, easy to administer supplement for your dog. Glandex Powder. Glandex powder is designed to support anal gland function in dogs and cats. It contains a unique fiber blend, omega fatty acids, probiotics, and digestive enzymes. The powder's formula supports digestion, seasonal allergies, and enhances the immune response. Key ingredients include pumpkin seed, for fiber and omega fatty acids, apple pectin, soluble fiber, quercetin dihydrate, a flavonoid with antioxidant properties, bromelain, an enzyme for digestion and inflammation, and probiotics, for digestion and immune function. Glandex Wipes. Glandex wipes are designed to assist in cleaning the anal region after anal gland expression, help support healthy anal glands, and reduce unpleasant odors associated with anal gland problems. They are gentle enough for daily use on sensitive areas but strong enough to clean and deodorize difficult odors and mess. Glandex wipes contain Deoplex natural enzymatic deodorizers and a fresh scent fragrance, along with aloe and vitamin E to support a healthy coat and skin. Glandex wipes are a good choice for maintaining hygiene and controlling odors, especially after anal gland expression. Top 10 FAQs for Glandex for dogs. We're not here to waste your time. We've compiled a list of the top 10 frequently asked questions and had our resident vet answer them. If you still think Glandex for dogs is the best option for you, keep reading to learn more in-depth info on the product. Number 1. How do I start my pet on Glandex for dogs? Start by giving your dog half the recommended dosage for the first 5 to 7 days, and then increase to the full recommended dosage after that. This helps your pet adjust to the additional fiber content in Glandex. Number 2. How does Glandex for dogs work? Glandex works by increasing the bulk and firmness of your pet's stools, which helps to naturally empty the anal glands every time they defecate. It also contains natural anti-inflammatories, omega fatty acids, probiotics, and digestive enzymes, which help to target the underlying inflammation and allergies that trigger anal gland problems and support a healthy digestive tract. Number 3. Is Glandex for dogs safe for my pet? Yes, Glandex is safe for your pet. It's made from all natural ingredients and meets high standards for safety. It's also made in the USA, at an FDA-approved facility. Number 4. Are there any side effects to using Glandex? There are no known significant or long-term side effects of using Glandex. However, your pet's stools may become larger due to the increased fiber content. Potential mild side effects when starting Glandex include soft/loose stools, gas, or other minor gastrointestinal effects. These can be mitigated by starting with half the recommended dosage and gradually increasing it over a week. Number 5. How long until I see results in my pet? Most pets see results within 3 to 5 weeks of regular usage. For pets with more severe anal gland problems, it may take up to 2 to 3 months to achieve optimal results. Number 6. How long should I continue using Glandex once I begin to see results? For pets with chronic anal gland issues, Glandex for dogs should be used on a regular ongoing basis to keep their anal glands healthy. If your pet's anal gland issues are temporary, you can discontinue Glandex once results are achieved. Number 7. How do I give Glandex for dogs to my pet? Glandex comes as a powder that can be mixed with your pet's food once a day. It can be sprinkled directly on top of dry food, mixed with a small amount of warm water to create a gravy, or mixed into canned food, yogurt, cottage cheese, or peanut butter. Glandex for dogs soft chews can be given once a day as a treat. Number 8. How many doses are in one bottle of Glandex and what is the daily dose? The number of doses per bottle and the daily dose depend on the size of your pet. We'll cover dosages in detail later in this blog. Number 9. What is the difference between Glandex Powder and Glandex Soft Chews? Both Glandex Powder and Glandex Soft Chews contain the same active ingredients and work equally well to support healthy anal gland function. The main difference is that the soft chews are in a treat form and made with real peanut butter, while the Glandex Powder is sprinkled onto your pet's food and is made with real beef liver. The powder is suitable for both dogs and cats, while the soft chews are only for dogs. Number 10. How many calories and grams of fat are in Glandex Powder and Glandex Soft Chews? The Glandex Powder has 8 calories and 0.36 grams of fat per serving. The Glandex Peanut Butter Soft Chews have 13.7 calories and 0.54 grams of fat per chew. Still think Glandex for dogs is your best bet? Great! Now we'll get into the product a little more in depth so you can make an informed decision before clicking that Buy Now button. What is Glandex for dogs? In a nutshell, Glandex for dogs is a comprehensive supplement designed to tackle anal gland problems from multiple angles. With its carefully chosen ingredients, it works diligently to promote healthy anal gland function, while also offering digestive support and combating inflammation. Plus, it's a hit with our furry friends' taste buds. Talk about a win-win. What does Glandex for dogs do? You're probably wondering, what does Glandex for dogs do? Both Glandex Powder and Glandex for Dogs Soft Chews take a multi-pronged approach to improve your pup's anal gland health. Let's break down how. Stool Firmer Superhero, at the heart of Glandex for Dogs is a unique blend of fiber. This isn't your run-of-the-mill fiber, though. It's designed to bulk up and firm your dog's stools, which helps naturally evacuate the anal glands every time your pooch does his business. It's an inside job, and Glandex does it well. Inflammation Inhibitor, Glandex isn't all about fiber. It also contains natural anti-inflammatories and omega fatty acids. These components fight off the inflammation and allergies that often stir up anal gland problems. It's like a little peacekeeping force right there in your dog's digestive system. Digestive Dynamo, the benefits of Glandex for dogs don't stop there. It's also packed with probiotics and digestive enzymes. These work together to support a healthy digestive tract, indirectly promoting a well-functioning anal gland system. It's a symbiotic relationship that works wonders for your dog's health. Taste Bud Tickler, whether it's the real beef liver flavored Glandex Powder or the peanut butter soft chews, Glandex is a hit with our canine friends. It's not just a supplement, it's a treat your dog will look forward to. In a nutshell, Glandex for Dogs is a well-rounded supplement that attacks anal gland issues on multiple fronts. It works to promote healthy anal gland function, aids in digestion, fights inflammation, and does all this while pleasing your pup's palate. Quite the multitasker, wouldn't you say? Glandex for Dogs ingredients. When it comes to supporting your dog's anal gland health, both Glandex Powder and chewable tablets offer a potent blend of key ingredients. Here's the lowdown. Glandex ingredients, Glandex Chews. When it comes to supporting your dog's anal gland health, Glandex chewable tablets are packed with both active and inactive ingredients, each playing a vital role. Here's a rundown of Glandex ingredients in the chewable tablets. Glandex Chewables active ingredients. Pumpkin seed powder, an excellent source of insoluble fiber to bulk up your dog's stools, supporting healthy bowel movements. It also offers omega fatty acids for a healthy inflammatory response. Granulated pumpkin seed, similar to pumpkin seed powder, it helps bulk stools and supports healthy bowel movements. The omega fatty acids it contains also support a healthy inflammatory response. Apple pectin cellulose powder, a highly soluble fiber found in apples that helps to support healthy and firm stools. Quercetin dihydrate, a flavonoid found in many fruits and vegetables, it has powerful antioxidant properties and helps support the inflammatory response and maintain histamine levels. Lactobacillus acidophilus, this probiotic is normally found in the gastrointestinal tract of healthy dogs and is useful in improving digestion and immune function. Bromelain, an enzyme extracted from pineapple that aids with digestion, maintains normal histamine levels, and supports a healthy inflammatory response. Glandex Chewables and active ingredients. Dehydrated peanut butter, used for flavoring to make the chews appealing to dogs. Flaxseed oil, known for its omega-3 fatty acids, it can support a healthy inflammatory response. Glycerin, mineral oil, sorbic acid, sucrose, water, these are used as binders, preservatives, sweeteners, and to maintain the chew's moisture content. Potato starch, acts as a binder and filler in the chewable tablets. Rice bran, a good source of dietary fiber, it can also help with bulking stools and promoting healthy bowel movements. When considering Glandex for dogs, remember that these chewable tablets are designed to be more than just tasty treats for your pet. Each ingredient serves a purpose, working together to support your dog's anal gland health. Glandex ingredients, Glandex powder. Just like the chewable tablets, Glandex powder for dogs is also packed with high-quality ingredients that actively support your dog's anal gland health. Let's delve into what the Glandex ingredients in the powder do. Glandex powder active ingredients. Pumpkin seed powder. This ingredient is a fantastic source of insoluble fiber that helps bulk up your dog's stools, promoting healthy bowel movements. It also supplies omega fatty acids for a healthy inflammatory response. Granulated pumpkin seed. Similar to pumpkin seed powder, it assists in bulking up stools and supports healthy bowel movements, along with providing omega fatty acids for a healthy inflammatory response. Apple pectin cellulose powder. This highly soluble fiber sourced from apples helps to support healthy and firm stools. Quercetin dihydrate, a flavonoid present in many fruits and vegetables, it possesses powerful antioxidant properties and helps support the inflammatory response and maintain histamine levels. Lactobacillus acidophilus, this probiotic is usually found in the gastrointestinal tract of healthy dogs, and is useful for improving digestion and bolstering immune function. Bromelain, extracted from pineapple, this enzyme aids digestion, maintains normal histamine levels, and supports a healthy inflammatory response. Glandex powder and active ingredients. Desiccated beef powder, real beef liver, this is used to give the powder its beef liver flavor, making it more appealing to dogs. Rice flour, it is used as a binder and filler in the powder. It also adds some dietary fiber, which can contribute to bulking stools and promoting healthy bowel movements. When you choose Glandex powder for your dog, you're choosing a product that's been carefully formulated with your dog's anal gland health in mind. Each ingredient plays its part, working in harmony to support your pup. Dosages for Glandex for dogs. Below are dosage charts for Glandex powder and chewables. Remember, no matter which for you choose, start by giving your pup half of the daily dosage below for the first 5 to 7 days of supplementation. This will get them used to the product and adjust to the increased levels of fiber in their body. After 5 to 7 days, increase to the full recommended daily dosage seen below. Daily dosages for Glandex powder. Dogs under 15 pounds 1/8 teaspoon. 15 to 25 pounds 1/4 teaspoon. 26 to 50 pounds half teaspoon. 51 to 75 pounds 3/4 teaspoon. 76 to 100 pounds 1 teaspoon. Over 100 pounds 1 1/4 teaspoon. Daily dosages for Glandex chewables, Dogs under 15 pounds 1 chew 15 to 25 pounds 2 chews 26 to 50 pounds 3 chews 51 to 75 pounds 4 chews 76 to 100 pounds 5 chews over 100 pounds 5 chews. How is Glandex for dogs administered? Glandex powder is administered once a day and sprinkled onto your pup's food. Glandex for dogs chewables are administered once a day as a treat. For best results, try and administer either product at the same time of the day. What if I miss a dose of Glandex for dogs? Whether we're discussing the Glandex powder or chewables, the answer is the same. If you're less than 12 hours from the missed dose, go ahead and give them the missed dose. If you're more than 12 hours from the missed dose, don't fret. Just skip that dose and give your pup the next scheduled dose. Doubling up on doses because you missed one is definitely not recommended. Doing so may introduce too much fiber to your dog at once, and the results can be undesirable. Does Glandex for dogs require a prescription? No prescription is required for any of the Glandex products. If your pup has underlying health problems, you may want to consult with your vet before supplementing with the Glandex powder or chewables. When will you see results from Glandex for dogs? When it comes to seeing results from using Glandex for dogs, powder or chewables, patience is key, and every dog's timeline can be a bit different. On average, the majority of pets see results within 3 to 5 weeks of regular usage. If your pooch has more severe anal gland problems, it may take a bit longer, up to 2 to 3 months of regular usage to achieve optimal results. Glandex for dogs isn't a magic pill that's going to work overnight. It's a nutritional supplement that works from the inside out to support healthy anal gland function. Glandex's unique blend of fiber, probiotics, and anti-inflammatories are working behind the scenes to bulk up your pet's stools, support a healthy digestive tract, and target underlying inflammation and allergies that could be causing those pesky anal gland issues. So, don't throw in the towel if you don't see immediate results. Keep up with the recommended dosage and remember that consistency is key. Your fur baby didn't develop these issues overnight, and it's going to take some time to resolve them. Hang in there, and you're likely to start seeing the benefits of Glandex for dogs in due time. Glandex for dogs side effects. Glandex for dogs, both the powder and chewables, are veterinarian formulated and approved, using all natural ingredients. It's generally considered safe for your pet, but when first starting supplementation, there may be a few side effects. Let's check them out. Increased stool size. This is an expected outcome, not exactly a side effect. Glandex works by bulking up your pet's stools to help naturally empty the anal glands. So, don't be taken aback if you notice larger presence in the backyard. Soft/loose stools. This is a common, but generally mild side effect. It's due to the increased fiber content in Glandex. It's usually only temporary as your dog adjusts to the new diet. Gas/flatulence. Again, this is related to the increased fiber content. It can make your pet a bit more, well, musical. It's also generally temporary and mild. Remember, when starting Glandex for dogs, begin with half the recommended dosage for the first 5 to 7 days, then gradually increase to the full dosage. This allows your pet to adjust to the increased fiber content and should help minimize these side effects. Are there any risk factors for Glandex for dogs? In discussing the potential risk factors of Glandex for dogs, it's important to note that the product is generally considered safe with minimal side effects. However, there are a few potential risks associated with the product, mainly related to its individual ingredients. Let's check them out. Allergies. Dogs that are allergic to any of the ingredients in Glandex may experience adverse reactions. While uncommon, it's a risk to be aware of. Digestive upset. As a fiber supplement, Glandex can cause digestive upset in some dogs, especially when first introduced. This could include soft or loose stools and gas. This is usually temporary as the pet adjusts to the product. Interactions with medication. While not a common concern, there's a potential risk of interactions with certain medications. For instance, the ingredient bromelain can increase the absorption of certain drugs. If your dog is on medication, it would be prudent to consult with a vet before starting Glandex. Please note that these risks are generally rare and Glandex is often well tolerated by pets. However, every dog is unique and individual reactions may vary. Always monitor your pet for any changes when starting a new supplement like Glandex for dogs. Are there any drug interactions with Glandex for dogs? After extensive research of the manufacturer's website, as well as other online resources, Avenue Dogs can't find any specific drug interactions for Glandex for dogs. While no specific drug interactions have been identified, it's always wise to keep an open dialogue with your vet about any new supplements or changes in your dog's diet. How to store Glandex for dogs. When it comes to storing Glandex for dogs, it's important to follow a few simple guidelines to ensure the product remains effective and safe for your furry friend. Let's take a look at the best way to store Glandex for dogs. Glandex Chewables, it's best to keep them in their original container, tightly sealed, and stored in a cool, dry place. This will help maintain their freshness and potency. Avoid exposing the tablets to excessive heat or moisture, as it may affect their quality. Make sure to keep the container out of reach of children or other pets. Glandex Powder, store it in a dry area away from direct sunlight. It's recommended to keep the powder in its original packaging, or you can transfer it to an airtight container to prevent moisture or contaminants from getting in. Remember to check the expiration date before using Glandex for dogs. Expired products may not be as effective, so it's best to replace them with fresh ones to ensure optimal results. Is Glandex for dogs safe for all dogs? Glandex for dogs is generally safe for most dogs. However, it's essential to remember that every dog is unique, and individual sensitivities may occur. Glandex reviews. Glandex for dogs is frequently praised in reviews for its effectiveness and ease of use. Here are some Glandex reviews from real customers. Lifesaver for my dog, Trish Gray gives Glandex a 5-star rating, describing it as a miracle treat for her doodle. The product put an end to her dog's constant scooting almost instantly and saved her a trip to the vet. She plans to auto-order Glandex to ensure her dog never runs out. These work wonders for our dog. Roxanne also gives Glandex a 5-star rating. She explains that her 10-year-old rescue dog has anal gland problems. While she still takes her dog to the groomers twice a year to have the glands fully expressed, Glandex works great for in-between visits. It works. Ms_Jen rates Glandex 5 stars, stating that it has really worked well for her dog with anal gland issues. Her dog's bowel movements have become firm and bulky enough to press on the glands, which is the normal functioning process. She also mentions that her dog finds the chews tasty, which is a bonus. They seem to work great. Carrie gives Glandex a 5-star rating, explaining that her Frenchie used to have juicy toots on her lap, but after using Glandex for a month, there were no more incidents. Once she ran out of Glandex, the issue returned, convincing her to keep buying the product. These Glandex reviews highlight how it has made a significant difference in the lives of many dogs and their owners. The product is lauded for its effectiveness in solving anal gland issues and is appreciated for its easy administration and palatability. Glandex pros and cons. No product is perfect, and each comes with its own set of benefits and drawbacks. This holds true for Glandex for dogs as well. Let's delve into the specific Glandex pros and cons. Glandex for dogs pros. Choosing Glandex for dogs has some pretty positive aspects to it. Let's take a look. Effective in many cases. Based on numerous customer reviews, Glandex has shown to be effective in reducing scooting and promoting healthier bowel movements in dogs. Multi-pronged approach. Glandex works from the inside out, using a blend of fibers, omega-3 fatty acids, digestive enzymes, prebiotics, and probiotics to address the issue. Easy administration. Both the chewable tablets and the powder can be given with ease. Dogs often find them tasty, making administration a breeze. No significant side effects. Although some dogs may experience minor gastrointestinal changes initially, there are no known significant or long-term side effects. Suitable for long-term use. For pets with chronic anal gland issues, Glandex can be used regularly to maintain anal gland health. This highly effective medication can be used for both short-term and long-term issues that arise, which is one of the main reasons we really like Glandex for dogs. Glandex for dogs cons. As with any product, it's crucial to balance the Glandex pros and cons to make an informed decision when considering any product for your pet's health. Not an instant fix. While some pet owners report quick results, on average it takes 3 to 5 weeks of regular usage to see noticeable improvement. May not work for all dogs. As with any health supplement, individual results may vary, and Glandex may not resolve anal gland issues for all dogs. Possible minor side effects: some pets might experience soft/loose stools, gas, or other mild GI side effects initially due to the increased fiber content. Requires consistent administration. For the best results, Glandex needs to be given consistently as per the recommended dosage. Skipping doses may not yield the desired results. There you have it, folks, the Glandex pros and cons. While Glandex for dogs has a number of pros that make it a strong option for dealing with anal gland issues, there are also some cons to be aware of. Where can you buy Glandex for dogs? The absolute best place to get Glandex for dogs is via Amazon. You can order from the comfort of your own home with your regular order. Shipments are quick, easy, and reasonably priced. And, if you're not happy with a product, it's easy to return too. We like shopping on Amazon for pet meds because of their strict no-nonsense guidelines for sellers. You can rest easy knowing you're getting the real deal, not some third-party fake product. On Amazon, you can expect average prices of Glandex for dogs to be as follows. Glandex Wipes $12.15 for a 100 wipe supply. Glandex Powder $30.35 for a 7-month supply, 20 pounds dog. Glandex Soft Chews $20.25 for a 3-month supply, 25 pounds dog. Remember, you may be able to find Glandex for dogs products elsewhere for slightly more affordable rates. Just be wary of third-party sources when it comes to shopping for medications for your favorite furry friend. Final thoughts on Glandex for dogs. At AvenueDogs.com, we care about your dog's health. We've found that Glandex for dogs is a great option for the majority of pets. The reviews are all great, there are very few unwanted side effects, and vets seem to love them. To get your pup happy and healthy as fast as possible, we recommend pairing Glandex Wipes for a fast-acting soothing solution with either Glandex Powder or Soft Chews. Whichever way you decide to go, Glandex for dogs is sure to help.